welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. To my old and new subscribers, God bless you for tuning in. If you have not subscribed, consider subscribing. God bless you if you love what I'm doing in this channel. So today I want to show you one of the ways I used to cook my okra soup. Okay, everybody has their ways and I have many ways, but this is one of the way. Okay, so this is my beef and the stockfish. There's the proteins I'm going to use, and this is a smoked turkey, smoked mackerel fish, and the smoked goat meat. Okay, then there's a mushroom and the crayfish, onions, pepper, and the native Maggi. Okay, so I'll go on now to start cooking the meat. I've soaked this stockfish. I've soaked it overnight, so it won't take time before it get done. Okay, so let's go. If there's another ingredient that is going to come up, we will see it later. God bless you. Let's go to the pot. So this is after 5 minutes. After 5 minutes. Remember, I have soaked this stockfish, so it's not all that strong again. So now I'll put water. Then allow it to cook. Let's look at our meat. This is the meat and the stockfish. The beef and the stockfish. So now I'm going to add the smoked turkey, smoked goat meat. Yeah. So now I'm going to add a little water. Add 1 cup of water. So let's cover to cook. Okay guys, let's check the meat. Okay, so I add, this is the crayfish, the native Maggi, and the pepper. So that is it. I add the mushroom. I add the red oil. Sorry, I didn't show you when I was showing you, although I told you that I'm going to bring other ingredients in. This is the This is it. It's okay now. Let's cover to cook. Okay. I add onions. Farms, I told you I love onions. Okay. You can make adjustment of any ingredients you understand that is here. So then let's cover for some minutes. So let's add the mackerel, the smoked mackerel. Okay. Then I add the okra, the chairman of the occasion. Okay. By now you can see that the soup is getting done. I won't waste time again here. Yeah. So I add the bell pepper the red bell pepper. This is optional, just for the color, for the beauty. Okay, Okro. So I'll cover to cook just 2 minutes. Then I'll add the last thing, the last ingredient. Okay, farms, let's see. This is it now. For me, this soup is done. So I'll go ahead to add spinach, baby spinach. Okay. Wow. Farms, you need to come and hear the aroma that is coming out from this kitchen. Yes, this is it. And this soup is done. Okay, the heat from the soup will now work on the spinach. I am done with it. Okay, if you are watching up to this period, God bless you. Thank you for being here. Yeah, I am not stingy. Come and join us. Okay, come and join us. So let's do this thing together. Okay, the soup is out. Thank you so much for tuning in. God bless you. Till I see you next time in my next video. Remember, bless. And if you have not subscribed, consider. Okay, if you love what you're seeing in this channel, God bless you. Thank you so much. Bye.